Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Harekura. So today I'm gonna do the keyboard shortcuts for this blinking one. How do we turn it off and how do we turn it on? All right. So this is my Asus TUF Gaming F15. So most of the gaming laptops has this kind of lights. So how do we do it? How do we turn it off? Let's go. We have the shortcuts like F2 and F3 here. So other laptop may have on F3 and F4. So for this laptop it has got F2. Let's do it. For F2 we have to go for Fn here, Fn, and then this is the F2 button here. So this will do brightness down here, so it's gonna turn off like that. And if you want to turn it on, then you have to press Fn here and then go to F3. It will get brightness up. That means the light is on here. So that's it for today. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and be back for more.